Hey, this is something you've never seen before. Have you tried to spend a lot of time making a video and voiceover? Every time getting stuck? Imagine if you get everything in just one software without paying any monthly recurring fees. Best thing is, you can save thousands of dollars. Well, imagine no longer, because we've made it possible. Yes, loved by millions of entrepreneurs, business owners, and everyone. Hey, I'm Rudy Rudra, the top internet marketer, and I came up with solid software that lets you instantly convert any text into 100% human sounds and create stunning videos in the next 60 seconds. 100% newbie-friendly, zero tech or marketing skill needed, no monthly fees. Introducing Vidjo. All the details below. Click the Buy Now button below right now to lock in your discount and get instant access to Vidjo at an amazing one-time price. We'll see you on the inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, software, and training courses that generally help you elevate your business and, of course, definitely your life to the next level. If making money online is your intention, here on my channel, I bring out products and programs that will definitely do that for you, that will definitely also help you make money online as long as that is your intention. Today, I have another amazing software product which is called Vidjo. And Vidjo is one that is going live on the 27th of April 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As I speak to you, the product has already launched yesterday. For reasons of password, I could not come to actually do it yesterday. In any case, this is a product that in a nutshell is called and will create unlimited, stunning, ultra high quality, realistic videos for any niche in 60 seconds flat and convert any text into 100% human voices in 30 different languages. This is to say that it's an automated technology system, a software that is going to help you with your video marketing. You know, in these days and age, in the cyber world, in digital marketing, space, video marketing is always the best because, people see and people believe. Seeing is believing, they say. So this is exactly one you may need to actually have clients come to you on Fiverr, on any of the marketplaces where you can render your services to people for a cost. This is basically giving you a business in a box, and it is being launched by the great affiliate Rudy Rodra, my man. He is the creator of U-Bots and so many other wonderful software, and I believe this one is going to do the wonders as long as your video marketing is concerned, and that translates to attracting the clicks and the traffic you need on YouTube or wherever platform you are using to actually begin to make money online. If this is one product you may need, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link definitely will bring you to this amazing bonus page of mine where you can grab a copy with this link or grab a copy with any of these blue green links scattered all over this page, and definitely it will be one of yours. And if you stick with me, I will show you through the amazing sales page where you have $5 discount from the original $17 price, making it $12 for you. Okay, so in any case, I will also show you the demo software dashboard area of this very great software so that you can see how everything works and structured. And I will attach the demo video of this immediately after the review of the members area, the software itself. Okay, with that said, let us actually see what we have here on my bonus page. It says that Vidjo is a revolutionary all-in-one video marketing and automation technology that is something you've never seen before. This is unique 2-in-1 video marketing suite, allows marketers to use the immense power of video marketing and lure maximum visitors to their offers that ultimately boosts their sales and profits in just 3 clicks. Okay, so it's basically a video marketing tool that will help you create the stunning videos that you need, by the way, unlimited, that you will need to do your marketing. You can use it to do your adverts, to do basically anything as long as marketing is concerned. So this is very attractive and can help you begin to get the traffic you need and get the clicks you need to make money online. So it's a very crazy, beautiful software, and Rudy Rodra has a way of actually coming up with some of these products. U-Bot did well. A lot of them that he has done did well, because I believe he has the intention of the people at heart, which is why most of his products go viral. So it's going live on the Water Plus platform, and you will be able to get a copy as we speak now. Now, the front end price for this one goes for $17. But like I told you, if you get here, you use this coupon, this link, to get $5 discount, giving it to you at $12. The OTO number 1 Vidjo Unlimited goes for $37, and this will unlock unlimited features and get maximum traffic, sales, and profits with just a push of the button. And it has unlimited video download, unlimited video creation, no limits, unlimited access, unlimited millions of stock images download, unlimited millions of stock video download, exclusive image editor, exclusive training step by step, easy to understand software video training, included step-by-step video software guide, and dedicated support. Of course, you have also a private Facebook group. Now, OTO number 2 will be the pro version of this, which is quite advisable that you also get. If you get this unlimited version, definitely you may not have any need to get this too, but I mean, it's the pro version. And OTO number 3 will be Vidjo exclusive, $97. It sets up down for you funnel integration with autoresponder approval, affiliates, offers, and step-by-step funnel training and support 247. And OTO number 4 will be the reseller. It goes for $37, which means you can have complete resell rights to Vidjo today and generate a cool monthly income and recurring, and of course in the next 24 hours. So it's basically what you have here. If you stick with me, we will see about the benefits you stand to gain, which are very numerous. No technical skill is required, 30-day money-back guarantee, and you use without any limits for free and step-by-step training, like I told you before. And now, these are the amazing bonuses that are going to be waiting for you. These bonuses will be waiting for you on my Water Plus account. Here you have how to get traffic to any link of your choice, which is crazy, and then of course how to convert your traffic fast, how to create free professional websites and be able to complement with Vidjo, and of course 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot. These ones will be waiting for you on my Water Plus account. Now let us take a look at the very members area. Here you have the members area, your videos, how you can create your videos, text to speech, mission head the image downloader, software training, upgrade, support, and of course sign up. So it's basically the training will be available for you here, but without wasting much time on this front end demonstration of the dashboard, let us actually see the demo video, and then we'll come to the sales page to wrap this one up. Okay.
Hello.
Oh yes, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based product, info products and training courses that generally help you elevate your business and your life to the next level. Here is the sales page that I told you. You have $5 discount, making it $12 instead of $17. And then of course, you can have a look at this at your convenience. Okay, everything that I have read already is of course here on the sales page. When you get here, you will definitely have to use any of the links qualified to get you there. I think they are green in color. Any of these links will get you there. And when you do get here with any of these links, on my Water Plus account, you will find under your purchase history a page that looks like this, and it has two buttons. Here is your purchase of this product, and here you have affiliate bonuses, which are bonuses of mine that I have lined up for you, which I just showed you. And that said, let us actually see if we can go through this one. But I know at your convenience, you will be able to have access to this and see the kind of services you can render on Fiverr and all the other places. Look at the amount of money that these people who are going to be doing the same thing that you do with this very software are making on Fiverr. You know, so here you have $210 US. And of course, I'll do your deep voice American male accent. So you see, text to speech, they get a lot of money for doing that for you. And that means you can set up on Fiverr or Freelance or Upwork and render the same service using this very Vidjo software. So it's amazing. I'm excited, you know, really. I'm excited. So that's basically what you have as long as this one is concerned, and you will be able to make use of it. I'm going to leave you to make that decision, and then at your convenience, when you get here, you will be able to make use of this. No need telling you what you are going to see when you come here. Now, with that said, we are going to wrap up with this one. If you are new to my channel, this is the time I encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. And I will definitely come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, from me, from here. It's goodbye, guys. I love you.